Are you tired of the hassle of cooking multiple batches of food to feed your hungry family? Meet the Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer with its impressive 7-quart Megazone. In this in-depth review, we'll uncover how this kitchen powerhouse can transform your cooking experience and save you time in the kitchen. The Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer is designed to give you ultimate flexibility in the kitchen. The Megazone allows you to cook larger proteins or entire family-sized meals all in one basket. With the option to insert the basket divider, you can cook with two 3.5-quart baskets or remove it for a full 7-quart Megazone capacity. Say goodbye to back-to-back cooking sessions. Thanks to the innovative Dualzone technology, you can cook two different foods in two ways using Smart Finish or sync the settings across both zones with Match Cook. Cooking for your family has never been easier. The 7-quart Megazone ensures you have ample space to prepare delicious meals without the need for multiple batches. You can fit up to 2 pounds of air-fried ingredients in each 3.5-quart basket or create a mouth-watering 4 pounds pork roast with veggies in the Spacious Megazone. This air fryer doesn't stop at just air frying. It's a true multitasker. With 6 cooking functions including air fry, air broil, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, you can whip up a variety of dishes to satisfy your cravings. Whether you're in the mood for crispy fries, perfectly roasted chicken, or homemade dehydrated snacks, this appliance has you covered. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer is its ability to deliver guilt-free air-fried favorites. It reduces fat consumption by up to 75% compared to traditional frying methods. Plus, the air broil setting adds a delightful crispy finish to your dishes. The Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer is designed to make your life easier. Its dual heating fans work in harmony to cook a whole meal a whopping 40% faster than your regular oven. Spend more quality time with your family and less time in the kitchen. We all know that cleaning up after cooking can be a chore. Not with this air fryer. The 7-quart basket and crisper plates are non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With your Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer, you'll receive the 7-quart Flex Basket, a removable divider for cooking versatility, 2 non-stick crisper plates for crispy results, and a chef-tested recipe book with 20 mouth-watering recipes and cooking charts to spark your culinary creativity. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer is a culinary game-changer. With its Megazone, versatile cooking options, family-sized capacity, and time-saving features, it's a must-have appliance for every kitchen. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple cooking batches and hello to delicious, healthy meals prepared effortlessly. Don't miss out on this kitchen revolution. Click the link below to bring home the Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer and elevate your cooking game to new heights.